Wrap your hair around in a circle all the way around.
Hard working every day. I'm stressed out 24/7, babe.
Hello there, my divas. I am back with a video, a journey that I went through. It was an emotional time in my life when I was having a few health issues, and I don't know if it kind of contributed to my hair going through the transformation it went through, but at the time I was getting my hair done. I was going through my own little health situation as far as my thyroid is concerned, and I don't know for sure if that was something that could have contributed to my hair going through what it went through, but it might have played a part in it. So I'm going to go ahead and take you back to that moment in time when I was having my own situation as far as my hair is concerned. Now I'm going to insert a couple of pictures so you can see what my hair was before and then what my hair, well, what happened to my hair. I know it's kind of a ugly situation, but going from always having healthy hair, no breaking off issues, I experienced that, and my hair went from being like 19 inches long to maybe 4 inches long. You know, I mean, I can understand if it was your choice to get your hair cut to a certain length. I wasn't looking for my hair to be 4 inches long. I did go and see my own internist, and come to find out, like I said, I had some thyroid issues and I was diagnosed with Graves' disease. A lot of people probably don't know what Graves' disease is. That's the medical term. The everyday term would be like hypothyroidism, which is when your thyroid makes too much of the hormone and it affects all of your body. It just became a normal feeling to me until I went to an endocrinologist and we tried to combat what was going on with me. No, I have not had my thyroid taken out, but it was something that needed to be treated, because if it wasn't treated, then it would have turned in probably something a lot worse than me feeling the way I felt. I mean, with hypothyroidism, you feel extremely tired. You feel, I guess another word would be fatigued. Your heart races really, really fast. You have all the energy in the world, but the moment you sit down, that's when your body tries to reprogram itself. In my case, my energy level went from 2,000 to 0 within a matter of just sitting down. All I wanted to do was come home, take a shower, and lay down. And I did this repeatedly for 8 months and didn't realize that it had something to do with my thyroid levels. Once I had my thyroid level checked, that's when I discovered it was time to go and see an endocrinologist. Once I spoke with him and he looked over everything, within 5 days of him putting me on medication, I felt like Wonder Woman. And my concern to him was, did my thyroid affect my hair? He basically said it could have, but then again, it couldn't have. So with that being said, I don't know if it was me going to get my hair done professionally or was it actually my health. I don't want to place the blame on anybody. I'm just going to place the blame on myself for not really paying attention to what I should have been paying attention to. I just thought that the way I was feeling was my norm. So with all of that information being said, I'm at a point now in my life, now I'm paying attention to my hair, my nails, my skin, my internal as well as my external. If we don't pay attention to when our bodies is talking to us, then that's when a lot of things in our lives go wrong. With all of that being said, and I understand that that was a lot of information to take in, but we have to look at every angle of our health to make sure that we are taking care of ourselves. So without further ado, let's get into this part of the video that y'all came here for. Now, the first product that I use is Cream Caramel Reconstructor from Ite, and it is made from all natural ingredients such as honey, bananas, olive oil, cornstarch, molasses, apple cider vinegar, water, and tea tree oil. Everything in here is all natural, and it is for natural, relaxed, and color treated hair. Once it's time to shampoo my hair, get the Ite shampoo and conditioner ready. Now, I ran out of the shampoo because I just shampooed my hair like 2 days ago, but I will insert a picture of the shampoo so you can see which one I'm talking about. And they have their own conditioner as well. Excuse me, that's what I get because I ain't got my wine glass with my water. I'll be right back. With the third shampoo, I use some Pantene Sheer Volume. And I think I just picked this up because I liked the ingredients it had in it. And it's clear, so that means it's not a lot of additives in here. Plus, it makes my hair look full and full of body for at least 24 hours. So this is the second shampoo that I use for my hair. Once I finish shampooing my hair, I go ahead and put my color in. The color that I use for my hair is Kiss, and it's the color magenta. There is another color that I use, and it's made by Clariol. It's in the Beautiful collection for advanced gray, and it's burgundy browns. I would use that just on my roots first, let that sit for 5 minutes, and then I would use this one afterwards just to bring the burgundy color up. Once I get finished with the color, I put a bag on my head and I leave the color in my hair for about an hour. Once I take the rinse out of my hair, I use the Ite conditioner, and then I take my shampoo brush and then I brush all of the kinks out of my hair, and then I put another plastic bag on my hair, and then I let that stay on for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Once my conditioner has sat on for 20 minutes, and I take some luke to cool water and rinse the conditioner out of my hair. Once that's all taken care of, then I take Aveda Smooth Infusion. It's a nourishing styling cream. If I don't have this on my hair, I am going to be looking like Angie Stone when she used to have her afro. Once I put this on my hair, I take my hands and I run my hands all through my hair to make sure there's no tangles, and then I proceed to blow dry my hair. Then it's time to go ahead and flat iron. And it does have a dial on it where you can go up to 450, but I never put it on 450. The highest that I go with that flat iron is 400. It flat irons my hair fine. Ite has a formula called Buttershine, and I put a quarter size. Once my whole head is flat ironed, then I will take some Argan Magic Oil, which is this, and I got this from TJ Maxx, and it smells amazing. I put maybe a dime size of the oil in my hand, and then I run it all through my hair, and then I take a brush and just brush my hair. Doesn't matter which way you brush it, just brush it. I just brush it. We naturally have oil in our hair. When I put that dime size amount of oil in my hair, that's all I use, nothing else. When it's time to go to sleep at night, everybody talk about the silk scarves, silk bonnet. I'm sorry, those don't stay on my hair. I will wake up in the morning and Coco, my Yorkie, she'll probably have it playing with it as a toy. So what I did was I went and got an old pair of tights. I cut it off, put a knot at the top, wrapped my hair. I'm gonna demonstrate for you. I'm gonna take this brush. Wrap your hair. Wrap your hair around in a circle, all the way around. Wrap it all the way around until you get it to like this. Take it all the way up. Get your little pantyhose with your little knot at the top. Hold your hair, put it on, and then wrap it all around. Go around the edges. Tuck it. Turn it. And there you go. It's all the way around. There you go. And you can just go to sleep. But you know, if you got your boo with you, you can go ahead and put this on there to make yourself look cute, I guess, you know. Put a little bow on it, make it look cute or whatever. But that's what I do at nighttime for my hair. And something else that is good for your hair as well, that I like, you know, is some hair perfume. Go to Walmart. It's called Luxe Hair Perfume. It's made for hair. It's not damaging to your hair. But I spray it on my brush, fan my brush just a little bit, and I run it through my hair. Shake my hair like that, move it around with your hands a little bit, hair perfume. And it has vitamin E in it, so you shouldn't have any issues with it because it's made for your hair. Collagen peptide. You can pick this up at a health food store. You can get it off of Amazon, and it's really good for your hair too. So I'm glad that I was comfortable enough to talk about my hair issues on top of the thyroid issues that I was having. I just hope that my journey can help someone else out. If you're feeling fatigued, tired, your heart is racing, if you're having insomnia, go and see an endocrinologist and let them check you out. And with that being said, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, like this video, and go ahead and turn your post notification bell on so you will never miss an upload. And with all this being said today, bye bye my divas.
Hard working every day,